Restrooms are a high water traffic area, and that moisture means it's more likely for mold to grow. So here are a few tips to help you prevent mold from becoming a problem in your restroom. Now, first things first, we say it all the time, invest in a moisture meter. It can really help you find potential problem areas without much effort. Second, you want to make sure that your sink faucets are working properly and that the plumbing under your counters is properly sealed. The same goes for your toilet. Make sure all the pieces are attached properly, that your flushing system is working as intended, and that the bowl is properly caulked and doesn't have any leaks. Finally, check your bathtub and shower. You're looking for any signs of moisture, be it through leaks, moisture in the walls, or around your tub. Also, make sure that your tub is properly caulked and sealed with the floor. And here are a few more tips. When taking a hot shower, be sure to use the exhaust fan during and after. This will help prevent any excess moisture from building up. And when you're done, be sure to hang your towel so that it dries completely. Following these tips can help you keep a mold-free home. Now, if you do find mold, it's really tempting to try to clean it, but call us. We're here to help you. For these and other tips, check out our other videos.